Welcome to the second Drawing Sync video, Create a LAN Workshare. In this video, you create a Workshare on a shared file server. Now we start with the project folder on your device that contains at least one drawing file. To create a Workshare, click Sync Central in the ribbon and add a project. Then browse to select the project folder. Drawings in this folder will be added to the initial Workshare. Now, if you wanted to track version history for yourself, you would leave Central Workshare blank. But here, we specify a Central Workshare on the file network. Other team members with access to the Central's folder W can join the Workshare. Now, to create the Workshare, click Sync. Your drawings are added to a local repository, which is then copied to the file server. And that's it. Others or yourself on a different device can join by specifying the same central location with an empty project folder. You can also create invitations, making it easier for team members to join. To do this, on our website, click Manage and Sign In. Signing in allows you to create and later manage your invitations. Drawing Sync invitations are based on verified email addresses. So after signing in, click Manage Workshares. So there's a lot on this page, but for a LAN Workshare, we enter just two things: the Workshare location and email list. I'll enter an invitation for a team member, the team admin, which is myself, and someone outside the organization. You can always come back later to add more emails. Now, it's important to understand that invitations are passive. No email is sent to the users you specify. Invitations can only be seen from the Drawing Sync app, which we covered in the first video. In the next video, we'll cover creating a cloud Workshare. Thank you for watching.